Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how can we use good and well. Okay, so that's very easy topic, so let's get started our video. Good versus well. Good is an adjective used to describe a noun. Well is the adverb derived from the good and describe how you do something. For example, I speak English good. That's incorrect sentence. I speak English well. That's correct. I did good on the English exam. That's again incorrect sentence. I did well on the English exam. That's correct. I speak English good is incorrect as we need to use an adverb when describing a verb. In the second example, I did good is incorrect because we need an adverb to describe how the speaker did on the exam. The phrase did good is especially tricky because it can also mean to do that which is good or righteous. Good in this sense is a noun acting as object of the verb. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. This is very easy. You can consider it as the difference between the good and well. How can we use these in our sentences? So I hope your concept is clear now. That's all for today.